So this time guys, magandang balita naman ito sa mga nandito na sa Canada as opposed dun sa mga last couple vlogs natin about sa mga announcement ng IRCC na medyo malungkot na mga balita. So something positive and something to look forward to ng mga kababayan natin na nandito na sa Canada. Hi guys! Kumusta kayong lahat? So, nagbabalik na naman tayo para sa update sa IRCC. Galing to sa Canada.ca website. So, February 27, 2025 and that's today. So, kung pupunta tayo sa website ng Canada.ca, may balita na naman and ito yung Canada announces 2025 Express Entry Category-Based Draws. Plans for more in-Canada draws to reduce labor shortages. So, ayun, immigration is essential to supporting Canada's economic growth. As labor requirements in key sectors continue to evolve, it's important that Canada's immigration system is nimble and responsive to our country's needs. Today, Honorable Mark Miller, Minister of Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship announced 2025 Express entry categories, which include a new education category to align the selection of federal economic immigrants with Canada's long-term labor shortages. For 2025, the focus of the federal economic class draws will be to invite candidates with experience working in Canada, ang tawag is Canadian Experience Class, to apply for permanent residence. So guys, in line to dun sa naalala ko na balita ni Minister Mark Miller last year na mas kukuha sila ng mag-a-apply for permanent residence na nandito na sa Canada. So feeling ko yung mga nandito na talaga sa Canada, whether PGWP or yung TFW, madami talaga silang chance. Malaki talaga yung chance nila na magstay pa dito to apply for PR kapag nabudot sila. Kasi yun yung naalala ko na sinabi nila last year, kahit ba nababawasan nila yung immigration plans, mas kukuha sila ng mga nandito. So may mas edge sila na mga nandito na at nag-work na dito. So this time guys, magandang balita naman ito sa mga nandito na sa Canada as opposed dun sa mga last couple vlogs natin about sa mga announcement ng IRCC na medyo malungkot na mga balita. So something positive and something to look forward to ng mga kababayan natin na nandito na sa Canada. Additionally, to meet Francophone immigration targets and meet the acute needs in health, trades, and education, IRCC will conduct category-based invitation rounds in the following categories: strong French language skills or work experience in the following fields: healthcare and social services such as family physicians, nurse practitioners, dentists, pharmacists, psychologists, and chiropractors. Trades such as carpenters, plumbers, and contractors. And yung isang category is education naman, such as teachers, childcare educators, and instructors of persons with disability. So, ayun nga. So, this time, binibuild na nila yung mga tao na may strong French language skills. Diba, in-announce din ito before ng IRCC na mas kukuha na sila ng mga tao marunong sa French. Though, sa edad natin is sobrang hirap talaga kasi yung anak ko is nag-aaral sa French school before, sa Ecole Templeton before. Pero ngayon nga is so far nasa English school siya and pag tinuturuan ko siya, nalalaman ko din yung mga French words, pero to put them together in a sentence, napakahirap. Kaya, bilib ako dun sa mga tao na nag-strive hard para mag-aral talaga ng French kasi sa edad natin, medyo mahirap na yung pick-up natin at nakakalimot na tayo. So, napakahirap talaga. Pero kung bata ka pa na mag-aaral, mas easy sa kanila na mag-absorb ng mga bagong information. At saka ayun, pinrioritize na nila yung mga work experience sa field na to, healthcare and social services, trades, and education. So sila yung mga may mas edge sa draw ng 2025 Express Entry para sa plan this year. As Canada makes adjustments to achieve well-managed, sustainable growth and economic prosperity for the long term, IRCC continues to focus economic immigrant selection efforts on priority sectors, such as yung healthcare nga, construction, and education. This allows us to issue invitations to apply to prospective permanent residents who have specific skills, training, and language abilities in order to bring those in-demand professionals to Canada. IRCC will also continue to support economic growth through Francophone immigration outside Quebec by prioritizing candidates with strong French language proficiency and express entry. This reaffirms the Government of Canada's commitment to supporting and fostering the economic vitality of Francophone communities outside Quebec. These priorities maintain the focus on bringing in skilled workers with the potential to integrate and contribute to Canada's future, including by transitioning more temporary residents to permanent. So, ayun nga, medyo binubuhay nila yung mga taong or binubuhay nila yung Francophone community dito. So, coming from a small province, which is sa Winnipeg, Manitoba, is napansin ko doon, mas madaming kaliwat ka ng mga French schools na pwedeng mag-attend yung mga anak natin. Pero going into a big city like Calgary nga, kung nasan kami ngayon, is mas kaunti, I should say, na napapansin ko. Kasi mas malaki yung catchment area nung French school. Mas madami yung mga English school dito. So, correct me if I'm wrong, dahil 1 year pa lang naman ako dito mag-1 year pa lang naman kami dito sa Calgary as opposed sa a decade namin sa Winnipeg, Manitoba. Pero yun yung napansin ko. Tapos, i-quote and unquote ko lang yung sinabi ni Honorable Mark Miller, Canada's express entry system is evolving to meet the country's changing needs. By addressing labor shortages, strengthening our economy, and increasing Francophone immigration, we are building a more dynamic workforce with workers and professionals from in-demand fields. Our approach ensures immigration remains a key driver of Canada's growth, helping businesses thrive while supporting communities across the country. So, ayun guys, nag-a-adjust lang sila ng mga priority ngayon na so far is medyo may labor shortages sa pangangailangan ng Canada ngayon. Nagbabago-bago din kasi yan kasi may year na may surplus din naman ng nurses and may year na iba yung pangangailangan dito. So, nag-a-adjust din sila para sa needs ng country na to. So, ayun guys, salamat sa panonood na video na ito at sana may naibahagi ako sa inyo na kaalaman and update sa IRCC. And salamat sa panonood. See you in our next one. Bye!